Hi there, in this video, I will give you a quick guide on how you can open a Capital One bank account online. So please listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining because I will describe everything clearly so you can follow along even if your screen looks different. So before starting, you have to make sure first that your country actually has or supports Capital One as a bank account. So yeah, once you confirm that you have Capital One in your country, what you will have to do is go to the Capital One website and then you will tap open account. So it should be somewhere right here. So yeah, if you do have that option, what you will have to do is simply just click that. And then you will just choose the account type, whether it's checkings and savings or whatsoever, and then you will just have to fill in your personal details such as your date of birth or your SSN or SSS, or it really depends on your in your country. So once you're done filling out all of this information, you will just have to basically tap continue or get started, and then you will just have to fund your new account using a linked bank account or card, and then you will confirm, and then your account is now open and visible in the app or website. And that's basically just it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope it was helpful for you. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.